I'm Greg Fleming. I'm a senior at Coe College. I study engineering and physics. I'm from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I first heard about Coe through this recruiting program for football. It was when they had a good program, especially the physics program, and I was really interested in engineering. I like to be a problem solver. I'm creative, and I like to design, and I want to design future buildings, design roads for my city in Milwaukee, make it a better place. I like the more hands-on projects you do. You're not just solving equations all day. You're doing more hands-on projects. You're working with groups of people. You're working with different teams. I'm proud of my growth at Coe. I'm very social. Here at Coe, when I first got here, I was not very social, but now being it and people want to know, I'm very social. College has made me more open-minded, and made me very extroverted. Being on the football team, it forced me to communicate with my teammates and talk to coaches. The brotherhood in our locker room and team culture. We care about all each other, and we're down for each other, and we'll look out for each other. Being here all 4 years, community was the biggest part of, being here at college. Just working with my peers with engineering and physics, and working with my professors, and having those advising meetings, they have helped me a lot and gave me a whole bunch of options with my career. So I'm definitely going to miss the community, especially football, and just be a part of that brotherhood. I'll always remember my first time being at Coe and my last time being at Coe. It's been an amazing experience, and if I could do it again, I will do it again.
I want to thank the whole faculty at Coe, and I want to thank for my peers that I worked with all 4 years. I'm thankful for the Coe community, and I'm thankful for the football team, and I'm thankful for God has stored for me.